go. Stay on that side. There you go. You stay over there. You want to go right or forward? Okay. We got to go to the right, Kendall. Yep. I know, but ours, we have the big cooler. We'll have to carry our canoe across that if it's not deep enough. So we're just gonna float through this. Nope. Okay, there you go. Good job. You stay on that side. Yep. Now we'll kind of let the water do work. Okay, right. Right. There you go. Good job. Right. Left. Left. There you go. Good job. Made it through that pretty good. Left. Left. No, if I yell left, I want you on your left side. Okay? All right. We've got the weight of the cooler. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, so are we.
Left or right hard. Right. Right. There you go. Stay right. You go right. I got left. I'll keep us straight. There we go. Good job, Kendall. We made that pretty good.